Welcome to a transformative experience where technical sales meet the power of artificial intelligence. In this course, we break away from traditional methods and deliver practical strategies designed just for you. Imagine automating the tedious parts of your daily routine so you can spend more time connecting with clients and closing deals. The tools and techniques we share are clear, actionable, and updated every month so you're always ahead of emerging trends and innovations. This training is all about giving you the clarity and confidence to leverage AI effectively. You'll learn how to automate prospecting, streamline lead qualification, and quickly pinpoint high-value opportunities. Each module is built to help you work smarter, not harder, with content that cuts straight to what matters most in technical sales. And yes, most of our courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. By mastering the skills taught here, you position yourself as an indispensable member of your organization. Whether you're looking to elevate your current role or explore new paths in sales, the insights you gain will make a real difference. This is not about endless theory, it's about concrete steps you can take today to maximize your income and make your mark in the industry. Find all AI for technical sales representatives training courses on completeaitraining.com and step confidently into the future of sales.